This is a 9-volt battery, which will serve as the main power source for our project. To position it neatly for the camera, I'll place a small magnet underneath so it stays slightly inclined. I'll begin by applying a thin layer of solder to both battery terminals. This helps prepare the surface for easier and stronger connections later on. Next, I'll take a BC547 transistor and bend its emitter and collector pins to fit our layout. The emitter pin will be soldered directly to the negative terminal of the battery. Now for the indicator, a red LED. I'll bend its positive leg for easier positioning, trim the negative leg to make it shorter, and solder it to the collector pin of the transistor. For the control element, I'll use an IR, infrared, receiver. I'll bend its positive pin, trim the leads for a compact fit, then solder its negative pin to the transistor's base. The IR receiver's positive pin will be connected to the positive terminal of the battery. Finally, I'll take a 47-ohm resistor and solder one end to the battery's positive terminal and the other end to the LED's positive leg. After trimming all extra pin lengths, our compact circuit is complete. When a flame from a lighter is brought in front of the IR receiver, the sensor detects the infrared light, triggering the transistor to switch on and allowing current to flow through the LED, making it glow instantly.